I already know, y'all already don't want to leave your own home. So I'm gonna make it super easy for you. Here are 5 ways you can make $10,000 per month. And there's no money required to start. Look, man, at the end of the day, some of y'all are trying to break out the 9 to 5. Some of y'all don't even have jobs. So just want to throw it out there. I do have a private community with like-minded individuals. Entrepreneurs. We have people that broke out the 9 to 5, multi-millionaires. We have live calls and guest speakers religiously. We're actually doing a series right now with a gentleman that broke out the 9 to 5 and runs multiple businesses. If you're looking to collaborate with other successful people, or you're looking for your next job opportunity, or you just simply want to make more money, this community is just for you. Click that link in the description below. Number 1, sales call closer. Have you ever seen influencers online, entrepreneurs selling courses, masterminds, whatever the case may be? You think they have the time to hop on the call and close these deals, to sell these programs? No. You, on their behalf, can handle all the sales calls, get a 10% commission. And these programs from these entrepreneurs or influencers sell these programs for $3,000, $5,000, $8,000, $10,000 plus. And you get 10% off of that from the comfort of your own home, remotely. You hop on the call, you listen to people's problems, and you close these deals. Let's say you sell a $7,000 program, you get 10%, that's $700. You close it in 20, 30 minutes. And if you close 3 deals a day at 10% for that same type of package, that's $2,100 per day. Obviously, the range varies depending on who you're working with. But now you may ask, how do you find this opportunity? How can I get started? Go on TikTok, go on IG, do a little investigate. Look for some influencers, entrepreneurs that are selling courses, masterminds, whatever. Get in contact with them. You can make this happen. It's up to you at the end of the day. You probably haven't even heard about this opportunity before stumbling upon this video, because I be dropping gems. Number 2 on the list. So we're gonna call this a car buyer. But basically, what it is you buy cars on the behalf of a company, of a wholesale company who buys and sells cars. Let me give you an example. Tony, y'all seen him in the videos before. One of the biggest wholesalers in California. He buys and sells about 400 plus cars per month. People like him are looking for buyers. They're looking for buyers to use their money, the company's money, to buy cars on their behalf. And you get a commission off of every car you buy. Look, I'm just gonna throw it out there because I'm all about helping y'all. If this is something that you're seriously interested in, you can go look around, right? You can go search for someone to work for, like a wholesaler or whoever. But Tony is looking for buyers. So if that's something you're interested in, there's a link in the description below. Click that link, enter your email and phone number, sign up, and they'll update you. That's if you're seriously interested. But there's also other wholesalers you can find. You don't have to do this. I'm just trying to help y'all out, okay? I try to make it easy for you guys and girls. Y'all better be grateful, man. I can't even hear myself. My ears are plugged. I'm raspy. I got a loogie. Number 3 on the list, I like to call this the content orchestrator. What I mean by content orchestrator is you are the middleman of handling video editing and whatnot, okay? You go to a brand. Literally, I'm giving you the steps right now. You go to a brand. It could be a business, it could be an influencer, it could be Barack Obama. I don't care. And you go up to them. You reach out to them, however the case may be. Figure it out. You can be resourceful. Find their email, find their IG, tweet them, do whatever it takes. You can make it happen. And you tell them, hey, I will handle all your edits for TikTok, YouTube, Reels, I got you. Now you have to have a network, okay? You can build it up through Fiverr, maybe, through Upwork, maybe, word of mouth, however you want to build it. Have editors on your corner. You'll get better at this finding talent, obviously. But every time you work with an influencer, they're like, yo, I got this video. They send it to you. Boom, you get it edited from your editors. You don't even have to pay a dime out of your own pocket. It's just $0. For God's sake, all these things I listed is $0 out of your pocket. Joe Schmo, the influencer, hits you up. He needs his YouTube video edited. He needs his TikTok edited. He sends you the content, okay? Now you take that content. You're like, okay, it's $5,000 to do all this. Maybe it's like, I don't know, 10 videos. I don't know. Okay. You can raise that price as much as you want if your editors are great. You charge him $5,000 and your editors to get all those videos done, maybe only charge $2,000 and you get $3,000 and you put it in your pocket. You are the content orchestrator and now you have 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 clients. You just orchestrate it. You're the middleman. You're like the broker. You're a content broker. They hit you up, you got a team, you handle it. I don't know how much more easy it could be than that. Number 4, appointment setter. Okay, we're gonna keep it as simple as that. Now you're like, what is an appointment setter? There's so many businesses out there. So many, listen carefully, there's so many businesses out there on Instagram, on social media, wherever. Doesn't even have to be on Instagram. They can't respond to all their DMs. They can't respond, damn. They can't respond to all their messages, their DMs, their email. They need somebody on their behalf to set appointments for them. That could be you. Usually these are high ticket products. You make a commission off of every product that you sell. You just set the appointment and do your job. Come on, man, like bruh, like you guys don't understand. I'm getting these gems and what are you doing? You better be serious about this. Don't just be watching this video. Number 5 on the list, Zoom call teacher. Okay, we'll keep it like that. What are you good at? Mindset. Are you good at teaching people how to be better in life? Are you some type of life coach? Are you very good at finance? Are you very good with music? Whatever category it is, build your socials, start posting on IG, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and post about your strengths, post about your life, and post about what you're good at. Make content revolving around that and sell a Zoom class, however much you want to sell it for. 50 bucks, 100 bucks, 200 bucks. You have 30 people sign up twice a week. That's $6,000 in one class. You do it twice a week. That's $12,000 in a week. That's $48,000 a month. Oh my gosh. Bro, this video should be how to make more than $20,000+ per month. I'm always making these videos for y'all. You guys are sitting at home. Some of y'all don't even have a job. I'm giving you opportunities here that you can try. It could be a side hustle. It could be a main thing. At the end of the day, you gotta get up and try things out. Stop trying to talk yourself out of things. I didn't know I would enjoy making videos. I didn't know I would enjoy this stuff, but I did it and I figured out it's one of my passions. You don't really know if you'll like something. You don't really develop a passion unless you try something. So here's the thing. You want financial freedom, right? You want to be free. You want to break out the 9-to-5. You want to do all of that. Stop being lazy, simple and plain, okay? Stop being lazy. Stop waiting for the opportunity to fall on your lap and start making a difference for yourself. Do not live this life just to die. Live this life to live the most fulfilling life possible. All right, like I'm going SnewJ nose mode on y'all right now. I know there's a lot of people that watch, right? All different ages from all parts of the world. I'm trying to light a fire under you. Understand that nobody else is going to help you. No one is going to change your life and make choices for you. You gotta do it. You gotta make the decision. And just wanna throw it out there, I have that private community. If y'all want to consider joining it, or we hold each other accountable. We learn from each other. We talk to each other. We have like-minded individuals. We have people trying to break out the 9-to-5. We have people that broke out the 9-to-5 and are multi-millionaires in this community. We have a whole series going on right now on how to break out the 9-to-5. So that's something that you're interested in. Link is in the description below. So if that's something you're interested in, join. If you don't want to join, that's cool. I'm still trying to help y'all with the video. But remember, make an investment for yourself. Do this for yourself. Bruh, I'm sick, I got a cold, and I'm doing this for y'all, okay? I'm showing up. I hope you show up too. No hesitation.
You tell me I'm something you need, but baby, you know that I'm bad for you, yeah. Why you gotta be so naive? If I treat you like one I don't want, then you know I'm just so hard to please. I lie to your face to get what I want, babe. Somehow you